Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out here in the National Forest again. I'm actually out at that spot that I was going to spend the night at, but ended up bailing on it. What's nice is it's completely untouched. I mean, there's no sign of anyone having been here since I left. And because we've had recent rainfall, everything is just soaked. So getting a fire going today is going to be interesting. I'm sure I'll be able to get one. I might have to change up my methods a little bit to get my fire going, but once I get a good fire going, I can burn the stuff that I previously broke and cut up. I mean, it's gonna be wet, but once it hits those hot coals, it'll dry quick. I might do maybe a little drying rack as well and get some things going. But what I wanted to do is sort of do a pack dump, which is not something I do very often. I'm gonna have to bug out get the bug spray out here soon too. Little buggers. So I'm gonna get the camera moved over here and get this sucker hung up, see what she weighs, and then I'll bust it all out and see what we got. So now this is not set to spend the night. Just a day outing. That is with food and water 17.8, so 17 pounds 8 ounces. Okay. So I got it on my stool, which I didn't include in the weight because it wasn't inside the pack. So what, 18 pounds then? So I have my Gransford Brooks Forest Axe. Love this axe. I have, actually I'm going to do this first. Got a bag of Doritos for a video. I got that trauma pack, quick clot trauma pack, in case I get hurt. I've got a bowl, just a cheapy plastic bowl for mixing, well, I'll just tell you, I'm gonna make a bannock. So I got my skillet. I just wrapped it in a grocery store plastic bag. Keep the pot smut out of my pack when I pack up to leave. Bug spray, which I'm gonna bust out here soon. The thing I've been looking for is I've got a trash liner because I knew it had been raining. They give me something to put my stuff down on. I've got a cup, bandana, and this is just my spice kit for today's lunch. Decided to bring it with me. I actually finally went through and refilled everything and also labeled things. Bandana, of course, I think I said. I got the Hidden Woodsman's Possible pouch. This is kind of loaded because it's got see, I have tea. I've got this is honey packets. I put it in there in case one bursts, it wouldn't get all over my pack. I got the lid for my canteen. I'm gonna do a canteen cup cooking. Got the Sawyer Mini. I got a Ranger band around it, keep it together. The Uko spork for stirring my lunch. I got these pot stands that I've forgotten about from Odell Outdoors. I'm going to try to use these today. I got a spatula for the bannock. So I'm going to try flipping it this time. A spoon to stir the bannock. I like stirring it in a bowl versus stirring it in a in the bag itself. I got my headlamp and a battery and a pack of wet ones in here that I just never took out. It's my headlamp with a battery. I've got the bank line with the tent stakes at the bottom. So, bank line, just in case. I really didn't need it. Probably won't even need it, but never hurts to have some portage. My canteen, I'm gonna cook in. We got the Mora Companion. This is just a $4 cheap folding saw I found at McClendon's Hardware. The Bushcraft Black. Down in here I have just an aluminum small 8-inch pizza pan for setting the bannock on. And I have my lunch, so I guess the spoiler, I'm going to do a Knorr meal today. So I got food. Pair of Hardy work gloves I'm still using. Of course, backpack wants to tip over. In this little side pouch here, I got the Hidden Woodsman signal panel, olive oil, another bandana, my water. This is empty. Got this keychain, with just some odds and ends on it. It's a whistle, a P38, and plus the small one, I forgot the name of it, P36 I think. And then this is just an aluminum capsule that unscrews. It has some tinders in there. Decided to hang it on there after the other day. I forgot to bring a can opener. I was like, well, I can just hang one off the side and it doesn't weigh that much. Let's see. Bannock mix. That's part of the weight. One of these great value packs of chicken. 2.6 ounces. Well, I'm finally glad that they started doing that. I got frozen bean, sea salt, and caramel latte mix. I've never had that before. A guy at Walmart actually like flagged me down because he thought I worked there, and he told me it was good. And then I got a spare battery for the camera, and that's it. And of course, the pack is the Hidden Woodsman Martelli pack, which I love because I get the water bottle attachment on the side. So nothing in here to spend the night with, although I do have a trash bag, but I don't have a sleeping bag and I don't have a cover. And I got another bandana in my pocket, so I got like 3. But I gotta work tomorrow, so no overnighter. Plus I would have invited a buddy along, so. Alrighty. Where'd it go? Sorry, priorities. Priorities, man. Gotta keep those bugs off. Not that they're more, wow. They are more annoying than anything else. So that's my loadout. Am I worried about spending the night? Not really. One is I've got to work tomorrow, so it's not in the cards. Unless I woke up at like first light and immediately ran out. But if I was going to come spend the night, I would have invited a buddy who was going to be in the last set of videos I was going to do, but because it was raining, I didn't want to risk the camera, so I ended up just cooking lunch without doing any filming. So we just sat and talked like most of the time, which was a great visit, and he was a really cool guy. But it is what it is. So I figured as long as I can. If I'm conscious and I can crawl to the car, I mean, I'll be filthy because I'll be covered in dirt and mud and whatever else. But if I can get to the road, I can flag down a car. Or if I can get to the road, I can get to my car. As long as I can still drive, there's a fire station just that way, and I saw a car there, so I would go there immediately there first, depending on the severity of my injury. You know, but that's just, it's hard to say what kind of injury. I mean, if I just got a small cut, I would just deal with it. Because I didn't really bring bandages or anything. I just got the trauma kit for, you know, if it's a big injury, like I cut myself bad, or I cut myself with my axe bad, or I used the saw and I really ripped into some flesh, you know, then I would just grab, I'd throw everything in my pack, throw the pack on if I can, or just leave, you know, if it's bad enough, I just leave it, because, you know, I can replace this stuff, I can't replace me. And just get to the road, get to the fire station. If I have to, you know, there's town, like literally 2 minutes down the road past the fire station is town, so I would just go straight to town and say, hey, I'm hurt. You know, maybe there's someone there with medical knowledge, so I'm not really worried about spending the night. Because I would have invited a buddy. They got bored last time, so. Which is, you know, honestly, it's not cool, but I'm going to get my fire going. I think I got an idea for my fire. I just got to see, because it's wet, it kind of is a game changer. And I know where I can get, it's just what I want to do. That's the only question, is can I do what I want to do? Wow, 3 minutes. Okay, I'll just end it there for this video. That's my stuff for day outing. For this day outing, you know, my next day outing, it might be a little bit different. I mean, you know what? Did I have my fire kit with me? Oh. Yes, I did. Fire kit was in the front pouch. Totally forgot it. I forgot to show it to you. So I did have it. But I got a ferro rod on my bushcraft block anyway, so I probably would have been okay with that. So, 4 minutes. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.